Most sets come with a honing steel, which is actually this guy. It's also called a sharpening steel, but it doesn't sharpen, it hones. And what does that mean? When you get your knives and they're brand new, they actually are in a point. The edge is a point like this. Now, when you use them, you push that metal over to the left or the right. And what the honing steel does is it pushes it back to the middle. You always start all the way at the end of the knife here, at the heel we call that. And you want to make a 15 to 20 degree angle. You're going to pull it down and towards yourself so the tip hits the steel at the end. Like this. And you repeat the same on the other side with the same 15 to 20 degree angle. Repeat this 5 to 10 times. One other very important thing is how much pressure to put. So it's about 4 to 6 pounds of pressure. So you really want to put a little bit of force in it when you're pulling it down. This gives the steel a chance to work and to really pull the steel back up into this point I was showing you.